Ever say, I didn't went? Don't worry, millions of learners do it. It's one of the most common English mistakes in the world. Let's fix it super fast. When you use didn't, the verb that comes after it must be in the base form, not the past tense. Why? Because did already carries the past meaning. So, wrong. I didn't went. Correct? I didn't go. More examples. Wrong. She didn't ate. Correct. She didn't eat. Wrong. They didn't saw it. Correct. They didn't see it. Quick tip. Did plus base verb, always. Never mix did with past tense. If this made you go, aha, hit follow for more quick English tips with ESC Grammar and Structure.
Hey everyone, welcome to ESC Grammar and Structure, your channel, where you learn and improve your English grammar and structure.